Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an interesting subject for you. I would like to share with you one of my best protein sources in my diet. It's called Quark. Quark is a soft, creamy dairy product that originated in Europe and has recently gained popularity as a healthy and versatile ingredient. It looks a bit like yogurt and can be used as a substitute for high-fat dairy products like cream or sour cream. When you make a recipe, like you make a cheesecake, you make a high-protein cheesecake. In this video, we'll explore the protein quality found in quark, its potent anabolic properties, and how it can increase muscle protein synthesis in both the young and especially older people. Here is the quark I take. Okay, it's bio. Okay, I eat one or two depending on kind of workouts I do. Each container has about 30 grams of protein, no fat, salt, and very few carbs. Here I will show you. I will put a screenshot on there, okay? So you can see it even better. So let's discuss why quark is very effective. Okay, this January 2023 study examined how quark affects the body's ability to build muscle proteins in the young and old men. They found that when people consumed 30 grams of protein from quark, it led to increased levels of amino acids in the blood, which are essential for muscle protein synthesis. The study was conducted as a randomized control trial with a parallel group intervention design. 14 young males between the age of 18 and 35 and 15 older males between the ages of 65 and 85 participated in this trial. The participants ingested 30 grams of protein provided from quark after performing a single-legged bout of resistance exercise on a leg press and leg extension machine. The results also showed about a 70% increase in muscle protein synthesis rates and powerful anabolic response in both the young and the older people. What muscle protein synthesis means, okay? It's a fundamental biological process that plays a crucial role in the growth, repair, and maintenance of skeletal muscle tissue. It is the mechanism through which muscle cells build new proteins, which are essential for increasing muscle mass and muscle strength. Okay, so this is how great this quark is. The study's results demonstrated that acute quark ingestion increased plasma total amino acid and leucine concentrations in both the young and the older fellas. This increase was observed both at rest and especially after resistance exercises. This is very strong. This suggests that quark as a dairy whole food can be an effective dietary source of increasing muscle protein synthesis rates, contributing to the maintenance of muscle mass and potentially promoting muscle health in aging populations, the older people. Previous studies mainly focused on protein supplements or amino acid mixtures to stimulate muscle protein synthesis. That's how hard it is for older people. However, in real life diets, protein is usually consumed through whole foods. Many people don't use protein powders. The quark appears to be just as effective as whey protein at utilizing protein in the body. What really caught my attention is the leucine content found in the quark. You will find more leucine, 2.9 grams to be exact, in this little container right here than you will find in 100 grams of any meat, poultry, or fish. Check out the image on the screen. It's important to note that this study was conducted with healthy, active older men, so more research will be needed to see if similar results will apply to other populations such as women and less active adults. Additionally, the optimal amount of composition of protein-rich whole foods in the diet will need to be explored even further. In summary, quark as a protein-rich dairy whole food effectively increases amino acid levels and muscle protein synthesis rates in both the young and adult men, making a valuable addition to a balanced diet for muscle maintenance and growth. What happens is this: as we age, as we get older, most older men get what's called anabolic resistance. Anabolic resistance means that your muscles are not working correct. In other words, you ingest protein, but your body's not breaking it down for you to build muscle. Okay, and that's what happens with the older people. They start losing muscle tissue because of this anabolic resistance, which leads to sarcopenia, which causes a cascade of problems. Once sarcopenia sets in, you get lazy, you don't move as much, become frail, and eventually causes our demise. So the objective is to find foods that are high in leucine. Leucine is the most important amino acid when it comes to building muscle. You could eat less protein and eat more leucine amino acid, and you will get just as, you will break down and build your muscles just as effective. There's been studies done on this. Okay, but just to reiterate, the older fellas, you need to maintain as you get older, even the younger guys. But as you age, you need to maintain your muscle tissue. It is extremely important for longevity. Your muscles are extremely valuable. Okay, I highly recommend Quark. If you don't eat dairy, I can't help you. I eat dairy, and in addition to one or two of these, think about it. Two of these, there's little things here. You could eat it like a snack. Put some frozen fruit in there. 2 minutes is done. Your stomach doesn't even get full. You got 30 grams of high quality protein, better than meat. That's crazy. And many people are not aware of this. And guess what? It costs $1. $1, 30 grams of protein in this container. I hope this information may help you. Stay strong. Eat enough protein. Eat high quality protein. If you eat dairy, I highly suggest you eat Quark. Have a great day and see you again in my next video.